Hello everyone. Today's video tutorial is about using the vendor's application. Most of us have been asking how to use it. Here we've been using it and it's not working very well. But the fact is the application is working very well. But there are just a few things that you need to know for it to work for you. So, and it's very simple. It's very simple application. It is straightforward, and it saves you a lot of time when you want to post products in your free time using your smartphone wherever you are. So it is very simple, it is very quick and very user friendly. So the user interface is very simple. So most of us really would want to use this application to upload or post many of our products. So we are not going to take a lot of time on this video. We are going to take a little time, but like always I just urge you to follow and understand these steps, because these are the things that you're going to use or do for the rest of the time that you're going to be working with Joomla Uganda. So first thing first, this application is only available on Google Play Store only for now. It is not on Apple Store. It's not on the other application. It's only available for Android application. That's what we need to know. So when we get the other version for Apple and iPhones, we shall let you know. But as of now, it is only and only available on Google Play stores, and Google Play, it is for Android operating systems. So you only have to be having an Android phone with the latest version of Android and you will be good to go. So first thing first, visit your Play Store. When you visit your Play Store, search for WCFM. It stands for WooCommerce Front Manager. That is the plugin that we are using on our website. It's the WC. It is the WooCommerce Front Manager. It is called a Front Manager because as you upload or post your products, you are even be able to see the website that you're working with. You're not really working on the back end of the system. You're able to see the website, the Joomla website, or any other website, for as long as you're working with the WooCommerce Front Manager. There are other applications, but for our system, we are only and only using the WooCommerce Front Manager, or you can call it the WooCommerce Store Front Manager, for whatever case. So that's why you type in WooCommerce, WCFM app. Sorry. WCFM app, or app, like that. And it is the very first one. It is the WCFM Store Manager. It's the WCFM Store Manager. So that is the one you use. That's the one you use. This one here. So the fact is that I've already installed mine, so I'll not be able to go into but here you just have to download and you'll be good to go. So we are assuming that now you have been able to install it. So let's open it. So this application is very simple, very simple. So it doesn't take you a lot of time, doesn't It's very simple. So welcome to the store manager. So here, uh, uh, where it asks for site URL, that is the site website. It is very simple. You can just type in joomla.ug, but uh, um, it is always advisable that you include the hypertext transfer protocol, which is the HTTPS, then those two slashes, and then Joomla, and then Joomla.ug. So it is advisable that you put in a URL with HTTPS address, and then the username or the email. Please make sure that you use the username or the email you use to log into the website. So for this case, I made the test account, and I used these names. So that's my username, and I don't care if you are seeing what I'm doing, because this is just a test account. So very quickly here, the first requirement, which is the site URL, please make sure you put HTTPS, and those sorry, we had missed here. Oh, yeah. So that's very important. And the username, please make sure you use the username you always use to log into the Joomla website, plus its corresponding password, and you'll be good to go. You'll be just good to go. You click login, and it will be processing until it lets you in. Logged in successfully. Voila, we are here. So welcome, Enjoy Investments. Now my store is called Enjoy Investments. Um, it's basically the one I use to make these tutorials. So it tells you the sales you have made in the month and the earnings in the month. The sales and the earnings are different. The sales are the total gross sales that you have sold, and the earnings is just the difference, the profits that you've made. So it gives you a summary of that. But since this is just a test account to make tutorials for us to get acquainted, so there's no sales and there's no earnings. So products, when you click products, so it is going to lists all the products that you have in your store, the products that belong to Enjoy Investments only, and then the orders, how many orders that Enjoy Investments has received. So this is where you manage your orders from. But as of now, since this is a test account, so no orders found. Yeah, there are no orders found. Inquiries. So whenever a client makes an inquiry on your product, yeah, because there's that provision for making inquiry on the website. So whenever a client makes an inquiry on your product, this is the inquiry board. So the inquiry board lists all the inquiries that have been made on your different products that you have. So as of now, we don't have an inquiry. So if we had, we will be able to view the product. We'll be able to view the inquiry, and we also be able to respond to it, because inquiries need answers. So we'll be able to make replies to the inquiries. So here, and then the reports, just as you understand the reports here. It gives you reports for the last 7 days, for the last month, for this month, for the last month. So basically, it gives you summaries of those periods within a week, within a month, the month that you are in, or the previous month. So it gives you so it is this the whole of this that it summarizes here. So it is this that it summarizes here, and then you'll be able to know how your store is performing. So the reviews are those the ratings. The system allows ratings, and this is very important. The ratings are very important because it tells the other customers, or it tells the customers, how genuine or how fake your products are. So depending on how clients are rating your products, your store will be ranking higher. If you have, very good ratings, the reviews actually good, and you're giving very good products, so clients will be able to rate you higher. Yeah, clients will be able to rate you higher. So please make sure that your store is performing very well, and it is getting very good reviews and ratings. And the higher the rating, the higher the sales, and I mean, the higher the customers will be able to buy your products, because customers always want to buy products that have a higher rating. Yeah. So then notifications, yeah, like, yeah, now these are the communication that we um always receive from Joomla Uganda. So there's a notification that, like, the first product span has been approved, a new announcement submitted, we want to hear from you, another announcement, how to upload products. And so these are the communications that you receive from Joomla Uganda. So the media, this is where all the photos, the product pictures you upload on your store, they are, this is where they appear. So this is where appear. Initially, we've been having troubles. It was not being able to list all the products. I mean, the product pictures, but we were able to solve that. And now you are able to view all the media that, so these are the media that this account has been able to upload. So uploading, you can go to the website if you want to upload very many hundreds of pictures at once, those that you actually want to be using to post your products. So you can go to the website, because if you're using a phone, you can only be able to upload a single product, a single picture at a time. There's not that provision for uploading very many product pictures at a time. You can only do that using a computer, and you log in into the website. So that's the only limitation with you using a phone. Not only on this, not only on on this application only, but also if you're using your store on a mobile phone, you can only and only upload a single uh, product picture at a time. So if you want to upload very many product pictures at a go, very many, like 50, like 60, like 70, like 100 at once, make sure that they have been edited very well. You have the size is okay, not less than 500 by 500 pixels, but even 420 by 420 is okay. So you make sure that all your product pictures have the same size. They have the same size, and they have the white background. So for the reasons why we encourage that, is that it gives a uniform view when clients are viewing your pictures, and also when making slides. We don't want to see this is bigger, this is smaller, this is wider, this is, so we only want to see a uniform flow of pictures when we are promoting your products on our platform using the slides. So the fact that we don't want to take a long time on this video, so we want now to see how we can, post or upload the product using the WCFM app. So if you want to, so you click on products. So when you click on products, so if you don't want to, upload the product, but you just want to search for a particular product, you just go to search. Yes, you type in the product that you want. Yes, so we only have raincoat, so if I search for raincoat, for rain, and a product that has a rain as a name, so we shall be able to see that here. So yeah, this is the product. So that is if you don't want to upload the product, but there is a particular product you want to see its details. So if it is that, you click on that rain suit, because this is the product we are uploaded the very first time, but it was on a website. It was went on a website. So if you want, uh, if you want to edit and all that, you can go ahead and edit. So did we give, did we? So that's how you can do that. But for now, we want to see how we can post a product using the WCFM store manager. And we said that you can only do that. You go to products. When you go to products, you click this plus button here, the one with the blue background, the plus button. Yes. So first thing first, the name. And briefly here on the name, how you name your products is very, very, very important. We shall also make a brief video on how, video tutorial on how you can upload, on how you can name products. We've found many of you are not naming the products the way it is supposed to be. So we shall make another video tutorial. But briefly, when you're naming a product, first thing first, the product brand should be the first. So the thing is, it is the brand plus the product, product, and then plus the sex or gender or attribute, or and then the attribute, and then if it's an appliance, you have to include the model. So this is very, very, very important. Very, very important. Very important. Because how important is it? Because as an online business, we are promoting these products on Google. There's the Google Merchant and the Google Shopping ad. And Google is very, very strict when it becomes to the names of the product. So if it realizes that the names do not conform to its standards, it rejects the whole feed. We call them, they call them feeds, or we call them feeds. Okay, the source of your products, if they realize that one or two or 10 or 20 or 100 of your pictures are not conform, do not conform to the naming or to the standards of naming, they will not allow that. And that means you'll not be able to promote or sell your products on Google. So how you name your product is very important. We shall know how to uh, slowly by slowly you shall be able to. So let's take for instance, we are selling you are selling a TV, and the brand is Samsung. So the very first word that you write is Samsung. If it is a LED TV, you write LED TV. Yes. What will be the next? The size, and that's the size of the TV, 32 inches. What's the model? What's the model of the TV? So it could be like DF 20 something. Uh, you know, it could be the model of the TV could be like R450, or it can be B BD 640. So the brand is very important. Yes. So and then the last one is the attribute. What is the color of the TV? Could be black. Most TVs are black. If it is silver, you write silver. Yes. Yes. If it is white, you write white. If it is gray, you write gray. If it is, but most TVs are black. So this is very important. You see how it is made? It's named Samsung LED TV. Or if it's not LED, it can be a smart TV. Smart TV, 32-inch HD. You know. So when a client looks at this, this is like a whole summary of the TV description. So if a client wants a smart TV with 32 inches and is in high definition, the title only is enough to let the client know, oh, yeah, this is now the TV I want. Yes. Yes. So if it is a shoe, now this is where the trouble is. Most of you just say men's sneaker. Others also say that stylish Puma sneaker. But that's not the best way of naming a sneaker. If it's a sneaker or a shoe, let's say its brand is Nike. Nike. Nike sneaker. Nike. Okay. No, not Nike sneaker. It's Nike. If it is for men, please make sure it is men. Nike men's. All right. Men's sneaker. Nike men's sneaker. So when you finish that, the second thing is what is the size. So if you can include the size here if you're just making it a simple product, or if it's a variable product, so you just say Nike men's sneaker white. Yes. You see the difference. You've started with the name. Who does it belong to? Men. and it's a sneaker, and it's white in color. So here you've included the brand, which is Nike. Uh-huh. You have also included the gender or sex, which is men. You have also included the attribute, which attribute now is a color, white. Yeah. So here you have actually described your product very, very, very well. Very well. At least if a client looks at this, the title, but I want a Nike. If he's a man, if he is a female, yeah, it could be Nike women, hmm? Women sneaker white. If you want to make it a simple product, you can say women sneaker 30 30 uh, 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 30 sized white. Yes. So that means you have included the brand, which is Nike. Who does it belong to? It belongs to women. Yeah, to women. And which type of shoe is a sneaker, a 30, and it's white. You see, this is a very, very good way of naming products. We shall see how to name products, but for now, our product is, so before you can for you to be able to name your product value, first upload your product, the product picture. Let's now select the product picture. Okay, let's say we are posting this phone. Yes, we are posting that phone. Yes. So what is this phone? It is a Tecno Camon 15. Yes. You see, you've started with a brand name, Camon 15. If you know the size of the screen, you can also increase it 16 inch, or you can say, if you know the pixels of the camera, you say uh, 40 megapixels. um, what is the color of the phone? You can say white, you can say gray, you can say black. You see, Camon 15, uh, Camon 15 40 megapixels, black, or Camon 15 black in color, black, and then you say 40 megapixels. So you have described this very well, but always the attribute is always attributes at the last. So here it is a Tecno Camon 15 uh, uh, um, 40 megapixels. You can say, even say back, the back camera, and let's say 30 megapixels front, black. You see, you can see, as the name is very long, but that's how it's supposed to be. Yes, the name, you can look at it as, man, the name is very long. No, let me just say, no, this name is very long, and you can just say Techno Common 15. But there are other things that you've left out, and that is, and Google doesn't want that. It's not only Google, but even Facebook. Actually, even Facebook, when you're making a Facebook ad, a shopping ad on Facebook, it there are standards, the naming standards, there are standards they are that you are supposed to conform to, because they are what we call the GTNs. Huh? The GTNs are like the model number, or you see the other, you see the serial number. Okay, could be that, like the serial number. Yes. So it is very important that you don't leave those out. So we are naming a Techno. We said we are posting a Techno phone. It's a Techno Common 15. We said you also put this simple attribute 40 megapixels back and 20 megapixels front camera. So, and what is the color? Black. So you have described your picture, your product very, very well. You have included, first of all, the brand, which is Techno. You have included the type of the product. It is Common 15. Its features, you have the 14 megapixels back, and then the 20 megapixels front camera, black. So the black means the phone is black in color. So catalog visibility, you always want to shop and search results, and that is the best way, because on the website there's a provision for searching. So you always, as you shop, you can also search, and you can pick from those results. So you just leave it, shop and search results. So regular price, as I told you earlier on, that this regular price is the price that you would have sold this product. But now, maybe that you want to give some sort of discount to the client. So this regular price is always higher. So let's take, for instance, our regular price for this Common 15 was maybe 756,000. But at this time we are only selling at 460. Yeah, at 460. Is that 460? Is that? Yeah, it is 460. So is this? No. So yes, now, yeah, this is 656. Yeah. So always this regular price is the one that appears crossed out. So you're telling the client that, no, we are not selling at this price anymore. This is the price we are selling our product. So the client will see this as, man, these guys have given us a discount on this product. So that's the difference between the regular price and the sale price. And the SKU, which is the stock keeping unit, please listen to this. Please make sure you always, at least for the stock keeping unit, you only have to put the name of the product. And here it is Techno Common 15. It's just enough. It's just enough, because as you hear, is stock keeping unit. So you can keep your stock using this name on Common 15. On Common 15. So always on stock keeping units, or the SKU, You just have, even if you don't include the other here 40 pixels and all that, just put the product name. It's just simple product name, and you'll be good to go. And then on manage stock, uh, the fact that you're not only selling these products online only, so we don't encourage you to manage stock, because if you say manage stock, that means you will be always forced to update your stock to correspond it with the ones you have in your offline shops, or your core business in your shops. So if you're sure that you will be able to always update these products stock to be corresponding with those online, you can manage stock. And when you say manage stock, you'll be forced to put the stock quantities. So for because we know most of you will not be able to do this, so please don't manage stock. Just when you don't toggle this to activate this, so it will just say in stock, and that is good enough. That's good enough to tell the client, yeah, this product is available. But also, here comes a problem. Here comes a problem. You've not included the stock, fine. You've shown it is in stock. But now you have sold all these pieces. You have sold all of them. And by the time the client makes an order, the common 15 are not available. Now you see the trouble? It's not available. So it is up to you to make sure that the client gets the exact product that he has ordered for. Look for a common 15 from a friend or a business partner, or where you can get. Make sure you don't um you don't you don't make the client look as if you are not sure of what you're doing, because it is very embarrassing for me to put in my order, and then you tell me, hey, sorry, the order the product you ordered is not available, but yet you included that it's actually in stock. You see how the embarrassment comes, and that's one way of losing a client. So the client will never come back, because you now see, but these guys always say in stock, but when you make an order, those products are not available. So they will just run away. So um, make sure you always keep track of your products and all that. So the last thing is we select a category. Which category that's this? One thing we realize with this app, just like it was before with the media, that it was not showing you the media, it is the same now with the categories. It is not showing us all the categories, because now it's not showing us the categories with of a smartphone and all that. It is only showing us these other categories. But we shall be able to rectify this, such that it shows all the categories, such that you can only select that category to which this product belongs. If it belongs to kids fashion, you click kids fashion. It belongs to women's sneakers, you click to, you can only uh, click on the category that product belongs. But now that we still have that bug of not seeing all the categories, we can only leave this. So after you have done that, then the second thing is to create the product. Create product. So basically, that's how simple this application is. It is just as simple as that. It enables you do a lot of things in a very short time, and basically simple products. Basically simple products. Oh, I didn't show you that note, but let's first create this product, and I'll be able to show you that note. War, Vara. product successfully created. And so here we are. So you want to see your product, it's here. Techno Camon 15, 40 megapixels back, 20 megapixels front, calm, black. Wow. And that's the best way you can name your product. So sorry, we didn't, yeah. um if you want to make edits, if you want to make edits, you just click on that particular product, so it loads. Maybe you want to change the name, maybe the price, maybe the picture. Yeah, maybe the picture. So and also the other limitation with this app, it only allows you to upload the featured product. I mean the product featured product, the product featured image only. It does not allow you to, to upload many different views of this product. So you can only do that when you log into the website. So we wanted to know the other limitation. You can only see that limitation when you're trying to. Please note, you see this note here, down here. Please note, only simple products can be created in this page. To create other products, please log through the website, and it tells you the note down here, that note down here. So it tells you that please, yeah, we only allow simple products, and you can you can create the other types of products, that the variable and the group products, when you log into the website. So that's the only limitation with that, with this. But it gives you, you see, just in a simple time, you can, in your free time, you can as very many products as you want, you see, just in a very simple time. Yeah, you select the featured product image, just in a very simple, you see, and then you are good to create. Yeah, after selecting the category, selecting the category of the product, man, you're just good to go. Select, yep, and then you say apply, and then voila, you'll be good to create this product. Just in a minute, you have created a product. Just as simple as that. Just in a minute, you've created a product. So that's how simple this product. If you want to search, I told you, if you have very many products, thousands of pictures and many of products, and you want to search any, so you just type in, and then you search your product, and then wow, you will be good to go. So here on the top right corner, you can easily log out here. You can easily log out, and then, but why log out into your own store? You always want to receive notifications, you always want to receive orders, you always want to upload products and all that. So briefly, uh sorry for that, but I am sure we've taken around 20-30 minutes, but um it's have been showing us how we can upload products, post products using the WCFM product app. I mean, a vendor's app. So we shall be keeping you updated with some of these tutorials, just to make you understand our system. It's not that very hard. It's very simple. If you've ever been working online, and you've been ever working with these kind of systems, if it's your first time, but still, it's the system is very, very, very simple to understand. What you need to do is always try to make sure that you visit your store, you try to explore, what does this do, and man, you'll be good to go, and you'll be good to understand the whole thing. So um for having said that, we wish you a good and happy stay. So We shall be giving you more of these updates such that you get yourself acquainted and all that, such that you appreciate they we appreciate selling online. And yeah, please make sure that you respond to your inquiries from your inquiry board. You also try to review your store and all that. So having said that, for us here, we basically want to wish you happy Jumla sales. Jumla is a term, it's not just a word. It's not just a word, it's a term. You will find that out. But for now, we wish you happy Jumla sales. Thank you.